Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, skies a lot brighter than where we began the day. Yes, we had some rain this morning, although rain amounts were fairly light. Most of us were less than a quarter of an inch, and then we saw some sunshine for a while, and then we saw some more showers and a few isolated storms develop. There's the current view from the airport. Mix of sun and clouds, currently checking in at 81, which is also the high temperature for the day. Humidity has already started to drop. We've had numbers that were well up in the upper 60s earlier in the day. They're starting to fall, more so out to the west. Currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, 76. West-northwesterly winds at 15, and the dew points are down in the mid-50s. So the atmosphere will continue to dry out and cool off. Current numbers include 76 in Madison. We have 70 in Orange, where you've seen really the most rain this afternoon with some repeat showers and isolated storms. 79 in Palmyra, 77 in Livingston, and 76 currently in Stanton. Here's just over the last 4 hours, and we've had the heavier rain kind of set up through portions of the borders of Greene and Orange and Madison counties, and now this activity is kind of moving more so into northern Louisa and Spotsylvania County. But we'll zoom in on, again, most of this is beginning to push away out toward Ellisville, and you get out toward Ware's Crossroads, and again, deeper into Spotsylvania County. But earlier, with some of the heavier downpours and some thunderstorms, some rainfall amounts for the Doppler radar estimates exceeding over an inch, and right along the border there between Orange and Louisa, maybe upwards to 2.5 inches of rain. So we dealt with some steadier rain this morning for a while, although fairly light. Then we had a little break in the action and a few showers and isolated storms forming along the front, which is now pushing east. And again, the temperatures are beginning to drop off a bit, more so the humidity. Temperatures here tonight, most of us in the low 50s, a few upper 40s north and west, and likely some areas of fog first thing in the morning. Tomorrow's a nice day, upper 70s and low 80s for afternoon highs with a good amount of sunshine. Quick moving front on Wednesday really kicks up the wind. We could have some gusts over 25 miles an hour, but perhaps a passing shower, and then we'll start to turn much warmer as we move into the late week. So the cold front's on the move. Most of the severe weather, although isolated in nature, really developing close to the coast or offshore. Some heavier rain setting up across the Susquehanna River Valley up into portions of New York, and then the tail end of the front producing some more organized severe weather across coastal sections of Florida, back into Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. High pressure will slide east, and we'll get a break in the action for tomorrow with, again, a cool start prior to sunrise at low 50s, some upper 40s, and then by the afternoon, upper 70s and low 80s. Here we are Wednesday. That quick moving front will be on our doorstep, so kind of a mix of sun and clouds. Winds will start to shift more out of the west, and there could be a passing shower, upper 70s and low 80s for daytime highs. So for tonight, we'll continue with the clearing skies, a cooler overnight, most of us in the low 50s, and again, some patchy fog developing. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Perhaps there on Wednesday, a quick shower, otherwise breezy Wednesday, and then warmer here for the late week. Temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 80s, around 90 on Saturday, and perhaps, yes, some showers and thunderstorms around Sunday afternoon for Dad's Day. We'll follow that over the next several.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. And just remember, a check of your forecast from the NBC29 meteorologist you trust is available anytime on the Storm Team 29 weather app. You can download that app to track the radar and get hour-by-hour forecast and weather alerts. Just open up your camera app and point it right toward that QR code on your screen, or scan it anytime on our website.